Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sanctum Showdown, a unique game mode within Marvel Snap. Your primary objective in this fast-paced mode is to be the first player to accumulate 16 points. To enter each match, you will need one scroll, which acts as your entry fee. This mode offers a fresh twist on traditional Marvel Snap gameplay, focusing on dynamic location control and quick scoring. In Sanctum Showdown, you earn points at the end of each turn based on the locations you are currently winning. A key element is the Sanctum location, which provides a significant bonus to your score. This special location is dynamic, shifting to a different spot on the board every single turn. This constant movement requires you to adapt your strategy and focus your power to secure those crucial bonus points. For the initial turns, specifically turns 1 and 2, the Sanctum location is worth 1 point if you win it. However, from turn 3 onwards, the value of the Sanctum dramatically increases to 4 points. This is also when you gain the ability to snap once per turn, adding an additional 1 point to the Sanctum for that specific turn. Strategic snapping can significantly accelerate your path to victory. The game concludes immediately when any player successfully reaches a total of 16 points or more. The player with the highest score at that moment is declared the winner. Regardless of winning or losing, all points you earn in matches are converted into charms, which you can then use to acquire exclusive event rewards. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.